Hey, traders. What's up, everybody? Good to see y'all. Welcome to the vacation stream, workcation stream, what do you want to call it? Be patient with me on the audio, and any feedback's always appreciated on that, especially on traveling streams like this where I'm not in my element. But hey, good news, everyone. Bitcoin rallied the upside. It hit 11,156, the confluence zone, right between two different swing highs we've had, right? Anchoring on the top and the same bottom on both. 50% and 618 right there. And right at the 200 moving average, we are right back below it. And so, yeah, I mean, people would be probably a little nervous. I mean, we broke the RSI trend line and we're still below it. Okay. But let's go, and people now concerned to say that maybe we have a little 4-hour bearish divergence. Maybe it's diverging. Not sure if it is certainly textbook bearish divergence, right? Not sure enough if that's low enough of a, that's not discernible enough of a swing low. I mean, it could be, but just as easily Bitcoin could pivot, make a higher low, and then run again and just get overbought. So it's kind of murky right there, right? But we knew yesterday, certainly, there was just that hidden bullish divergence going on, at least on the MACD, and it did play out. Low volume, weekend, low liquidity. We're gonna have ups and downs. This happens almost every weekend, right? So audio's good. Thanks, JMove. Yeah, screen start. There's nothing I can do about it, man. If you want to see the beach, you can't see much of me. You can see me a little bit, but it's almost like I need to get a voice changer, and I'm like, doing Bitcoin witness protection, technical analysis. Okay, so we're gonna be doing this, but doing this for my anonymity, so I don't get it, someone doesn't dox me, man. Right? I mean, that's kind of the way it looks right now. Talking about like where they'll be doing like drug cartel documentaries, and it's like the cartel guy, and he's like hidden. So I just need to mask my voice now, and it'd be hilarious. All right. Chat is moisty now. Perfect, dude. Good. I can't do sound effects. I don't have my soundboard. The only soundboard I have is the one, and we're going to play it. Well, I guess we can do it now, since technically it did play out a little bit, right? All right, let's do it. Just for fun.
GA respected.
There you go. So, look, man, weekend streams. What do you want me to do, man? I'm on vacation. Bitcoin moved up, didn't do much. I mean, what else is there to talk about? We can go to the daily. The daily positive Momo still building. Great news. 10,952 or above it, but not by much. Also, some good news is that down sloping resistance. The RSI, the downtrend was broken, which is good. Sitting at neutral, equilibrium level RSI. But look, 10,952. That's not a joke, man. It's certainly not a joke. I mean, if you look at the daily, there's just literally no real resistance. I mean, look, go to where traders set it up February 19th, 2018. That's the next resistance, 11,250 or so. I think that would be your next stop if it can sustain prices above where we are right now, above 10,952. So above 11,259, you've got
3.6. Not great, not terrible.
What's up, Scuba Steve?
Great view of the ocean. Thanks, Mitch.
It's okay, man. It's so scuffed. You understand, like, the way the resort is, where I am geographically, it can't get much worse. Like, where the sun is, it's pointing inward, right? There's one worse spot than where I am now for trying to have an ocean view for you to see, and it's just to my right. I'm pointing here, but it's to the right. So sun's beaming in, and it makes it impossible. It's very difficult. So thank you, Scuba Steve, and thanks, man, for that contribution last night. Drinks were on you. Cheers, man. We had a great time. Ate some, what was it? Sea bass and scallops. It was wonderful. Ninja Girl loved it. All right. Oh my god. Yeah, Kanatoma. I don't know what to do, man. It's all good, right? Kick his butt, see butt. Yeah, dude. Something like that. Okay, so yeah, that's big on the daily, the 4 hour, you can go the weekly if we want. A nice green candle, man, right? What did it do? It sold off. It couldn't break the Three Gorges Dam resistance, and it broke back below it, and then went to the next available area where there might be demand, and there was demand, certainly. It looks like between 90, well, I mean, it's not between, I mean, it is right around 99.50, right? So you think on the weekly there's no resistance until 11,463. Though we know daily's got some adversity. Weekly's kind of good, man. Kind of lit. Just like Ethereum on the weekly. Ethereum on the weekly is great, man. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of amazing. Here's Ethereum on the weekly, right? Because where you are, $383, you're above 366, which is, I think, the most important area. Yeah, there's this one wick at 394 that I think we tested a couple days ago, and that's it. I don't know about the 4 hour. I mean, I've been on the beach all day, so I'm just trying to enjoy myself. That uptrend, you're still in it somehow. Good God, man. How long is it gonna be inside of this, the parameters of this structure? Too dang long. And I'll tell you this, it certainly has not threatened the previous high from September 1st around, well, at 487, which is a big deal. Looking left, right, all the way back to 2018, I believe. Right up here. Yep, July 2018. So kind of gassed. Streaming right now is not easy because I've been drinking like the water beers, like the Michelobs, and also been in the sun all day, so it's just like tons of energy has been sapped from me. And there's nothing, you know, we can't, what can we talk about with stocks or Forex or commodities? There's nothing to talk about. The markets are closed, they've done nothing. So all we can do is just kind of look at these cryptos, and that's it, dude. Yeah, Wolfman, that's it, dude. You read my mind. How'd you even know, man? Whoa. It's a revelation. Wow, man. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, alright, they're looking okay. We can go to Litecoin, I guess. Still looks, I mean, I know it's just consolidating and not really going anywhere, but dang, man. You know, like it could come to double bottom at $45, but look what it's doing. You know, that $47 area, it's holding it as support. Holding this October 2019 area as support. This March 2019 resistance. I mean, this October 2018, this September 2018, this August. Well, that's what it needs to break. But once it breaks $50, we've already talked about it yesterday. Same analysis, man. It's done absolutely nothing in 24 hours. Okay. If it breaks $50, it's a good chance it's going to 60 bucks. It could go fast, man. It could be real fast. So, just you got to be cognizant and keep your eye on Litecoin and understand it's a really big structure. It's at the pattern completion zone. It's reversed, but it has not yet taken off from its PCZ. Okay. So good to see y'all. Yeah, man. I don't even know. It's kind of like, what's the point of going live when there's nothing going on, right? Okay, we can look at so Bitcoin, Litecoin. We can look at I guess XRP. Who cares? I don't know what the XRP in. It's done nothing, right? I mean, just a whole bunch of nothing. Besides bouncing off that 23.582 cent area, but it did have divergence. But look at the fall. There's not very good fall through off that divergence, right? It just kind of looks like Litecoin, everything else, man, where there's not much of an edge right now. It's still in a downtrend, not even close to threatening its previous swing high. So this could easily, all these assets could just dump again and make lower lows. What's up, guy with a question?
When looking at past wicks for resistance level as, how do you determine which past wick will act as resistance? Is it based on a past reversal? Or the number of times it's been hit? Hope that makes sense.
I think you got a question. What's up, Scuba Steve? Someone wants to look at Link, dude. Sure.
Somebody wants to look at Link.
Scuba Steve, thanks so much, man, for the contributions. I really appreciate it, dude. I thank you, man, really. Let's see. The question was, when looking at passwicks for resistance levels, how do you determine which passwick will act as resistance? I don't know. I try to go. All right. Let's see what maybe a good support resistance would be. Well, let's look at COF. Right. COF's a great maybe example. Okay. What could act as support resistance? All right. So we look at the daily on COF. Right. I mean, look what happened. You know, you go back to history. Go to the dailies. Go to the weeklies. And you can see major support resistance from 2016. That's many years ago, so you know that might be very important as support resistance. Okay, so at one point during the Corona crash, we fell below it, and look what happened. We fell below it, and then we rallied, and we hit it, and we guarded it as resistance. We sold off, double bottomed, rallied, and regarded as resistance again. You couldn't break it, but you sold off, made a higher low, and then you broke above it. You kept regarding as support resistance. And that was it, man. Once you fell below it one more time and bullishly engulfed, you then painted that bullish harmonic. And at that bullish harmonic, PCZ, pattern completion zone, you back tested that old ice line at support resistance. So I guess like what you could say is I really appreciate and respect candle closes, like the candle high close, the candle low close on daily and weekly time scales. Okay, so I plot and you know I'll plot sometimes the candle close, the candle low close, and the wick too. So it's like a zone, like a range of support resistance, a very small one. And I don't know, man. To me, I think the candle close is most important because the wick is the price action intra candle, right? Where traders set it up, I think is the most important. So when you have like old ice lines like this that are very discernible, and it goes back beyond that too. Like if you go back, you can see clearly from 2008 3 different times support resistance right there, and it's like the same price pretty much, like a couple cents off. And you go back all the way to 1999, and that's it. That's another thing too about when you're plotting support resistances, especially for like trading ranges. You always want to go and you want to look at the first time it was ever painted, right? Say like you had a huge markup in price or a price discovery, and we had, okay, so like for instance, let's go to the S&P 500. We're talking about support resistance. Okay. All right. So something like on the way down in Corona crash, one thing that was so important to me is like, look, we had this huge price discovery, and then what happened? That first time, right? January 2018, we had our buying climax and we reversed majorly. After that, that was manufactured then. That was created for the first time in history there. So then we plot that trend line. Okay. Ever since then, all that's happened is price action is correlated to that. So like, look, you know, in August 2018, we finally broke it. Then we back tested as support. We rallied, made lower highs. We're showing divergence there, and then we dumped and fell below it. Right. So this was it, man. This is what it was the first time. And so after that, it's, you know, and then, you know, look, a new support resistance was created. So then after that, we rallied, V-shaped recovery. We hit it, regarded as resistance, and sold off, made a higher low, and rallied. And look, I mean, you can just see the price action correlation you've been receiving over and over and over throughout history since these two highs were created. So you want to look left, really far left if you can, okay? Because everything after that initial I guess the painting, right? The first time, initial time it's been painted and created, everything regards itself to that afterwards, right? It's not like, you know what I'm saying, man? Like, so you can look and see through now the history, right? I mean, right here, you can see it was regarded as resistance, sold off, rallied, and then ran up and hit like the next high. And you can see we reversed there, and we just kept having trouble, and eventually gapped up and broke it, right? You broke this high, and then you regarded it as support, and then we never saw it again, man. Never again. Broke it. You sprung, you back tested the spring, and you were gone, man. All right, so now we're looking at the newer, like the highs from January and February, and we closed, unfortunately, below both of those, and so I don't think there's really any support until 3,200, 3,212, which is definitely somewhere where the S&P 500 could go next. market participants truly will it. I mean, let's get some data. Let's get some follow the price action, because it could just reverse and we get right back above 33.86.
3.6. Not great or terrible.
Hello comrade, the Eagle Crows at midnight. Target will be at 618 burn after reading. Настровие.
Dude, what? I don't speak Sputnik, dude. Hold on. Sorry. Thank you, Wolfman, for 3.6 roken. Nostrovaya. Oh, that is me. So here. Kalashnikov. This is what I'm supposed to say. Thank you, dude. Okay, I don't think that was a request. It might have been. Sorry, dude. Thank you. Link Connect probably still in that downtrend. Yeah, there it is. No change, really. Yeah, it's testing $10 again, and it doesn't really look strong. IMO. This is a psychological support resistance. This is not a real one. The real support resistance that was manufactured is 864. I think, dude, it doesn't look strong. On the daily, anyway. The daily, it looks like it could roll over at any time. And what if Bitcoin decides it's time to reverse, finally? Oh, this thing's coming down. It's gonna break $10, man. And you're gonna see it and you're like, dang, dude, it's true. It's just not strong. There's no seller exhaustion right now. Yeah, you haven't seen positive momentum since August 20th. Got it, dude. Damn, my Russian was pretty good right there. Anyone else impressed, man? Caldwell? So yeah, maybe it's diverging, dude. It could be a bottom, second bottom. Daily doesn't look good enough, man. Right? I mean, this is not a real support resistance. It is merely a psychological support resistance, and those are not very strong when momentum is shifted to the downside. Just say it, man. All right. Oh my god, dude. So it's good, man. Good contribution earlier. So you got me on a tangent about like manufactured highs and lows. The initial ones normally always set the tone for what's going to happen after, right? In the coming future history, right? In the coming days, weeks, months, those things are going to correlate to the initial painting, okay, of a swing high or swing low, where traders set it up normally. But yeah, the wick too. So you can plot on both. Thanks for the 460 people tuned in. Cool, dude. Cool. So, Vechain did things. Descending broadening wedge. There wasn't much of an edge. It was just like everything else. It's just sometimes some assets just pop, man. And it's normally, lately, it's just been the China assets, right? The S coins that are out of China. The Chinese like it. And you know what? Actually, breaking news, Vechain's breaking out, man. A supply line's being broken on Vechain. Wow, it's up 5.23%. It's at the 200 moving average. Pretty good, man. But again, it was like everything else. It's just catching it caught bids where everything else didn't catch bids. That's it. So just something to be cognizant of, right? Breakout on Vechain. It is not really confirmed. It's kind of iffy. There's no bearish divergence or anything on the 4-hour, but came really only after back testing the Walmart rumor high from June of 2019. So great stuff, man. One asset's doing something, but it wasn't really because there was an edge. It wasn't like because there was a higher probability that it was going to do that, you know. Just sometimes that happens. Okay, Vechain, great. What's that Uni stuff? Uniswap. I'm just looking at it now because there's just not enough stuff to look at on the weekend, dude. Nice, it's dumping, dude. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Holy crap, dudes. Alright, what do you want? It's 536. Remember when an ICO opened it, literally opened at 28 cents or so and went as high in that first 4 hours as $15, and now it is at $5.38. So absolutely insane. I don't know how. I mean, you must be crazy. You're not a trader. You're trading this, quote unquote, but it's a gamble. It's literally degen gambling. I mean, it's not trading, dude. Trading requires lots of data. This is a joke. Okay, so but congrats on people who got their stimulus checks. Never gonna be mad about that, man. If you got it, so congrats to you. Oh God, I hope people got this crap for free. You get what you pay for, man. Oh, I'm getting a beer. Dang, man. There's definitely price action. Like, holy crap, look at it. Look at its volatility. I mean, I guess it's volatility. It's liquidity. It's like bots are definitely trading the crap out of this thing right now more than any other thing I'm seeing on this market right now. So, that was cool, dude. I don't even get the idea behind it. Dude, this is a trading, thank you. This is a trading channel, dude. Go to a Moonboy fundamental speculative channel, okay? It's down 23% today. Great, dude. Alright, Scuba Steve, this beer's for you, okay, dude? Certainly. Oh, this is so weird. I have to like sit on my butt with my legs to get high enough to be in the picture. Okay, so just moving on. Another China Coins Tron Connect that dumped. And really, what's going on with it? I don't know. I mean, there is a support here, 2.6 cents. I don't know. Yep, look at this high from Valentine's Day of this year. It bounced off of it, but I'm not sure there's enough of an edge or anything. I mean, the weekly on Tron targets were hit, right? I mean, a long time ago. So, good news on Tron is there might be daily hidden bullish everyone shut us eyeball. So, but yeah, dude. I mean, that's it, man. Like, what do you think? Tron went up to 5 cents almost, dude. Almost to the 1272 extension for reversing violently. So, the weekly, if you were a position trader of Tron, it's over, dude. Trade's done completely. But yeah, really, really nice hidden bullish divergence going on. Maybe on the, I mean, certainly on the daily. It's developing.
You're gonna chug without a spin? Come on, man. Spin.
Oh yeah. I mean, look, I'll play the game if you want, but nothing ensures that. What the heck? Why is that not showing up on my screen? So let me refresh the catch on it. The cache, excuse me. Boom, there it is, chat. Alright. Scuba Steve, you insist, man. But I can assure you, it will not be chugged. We're going out to get... Oh, thank God. Scuba Steve, you have to drink now, man. But yeah, we're going to go out. We're going to get, like, so many raw oysters that we can't move. That's kind of the goal we had. God. This chair. See. So yeah, Tron, kind of interesting, right? I mean, I don't know if it's, you can almost say on the RSI too, but let me hide this. Let me just get rid of this, man. Spring cleaning. Man, what an educational experience. What a fantastic bullish shark. Gotta get rid of I'm just getting rid of all this Fibonacci. I might as well just clean it all up, but right, you see that, right? I mean, this is textbook potential divergence, right? Like hidden bullish divergence, impending price action continuation the upside, but it doesn't look like it's catching many bids yet. So when you show, look, a little education, man, I guess. I mean, most of y'all already know it, but when the daily is showing hidden bullish divergence, you want to then go to the 4-hour, and then you actually covet classic bullish divergence on that 4 hour, and it doesn't look like we have it. So the combination is just not, there is no combination. It's just not, it's not very strong, man. It's not at all like that. So you only have the daily helping you from this low to this low. So nothing else really. Okay, I don't even know if I see a structure. You know, it could be a lower low double bottom, which would be nuts, man, right? But I don't know if there's enough of an edge to, it could still be just a coin flip chance that it would play out, right? Where it would reverse majorly here, okay? I'm just talking about this, you know, one bottom, two bottoms, okay? And that second bottom, the daily's there, and it could continue the upside, but I don't think it's strong enough to act on it, right? You know, it's like all you want, man. Look, dude, we've got about a coin flip chance at all times, you know, in any given day, any given chart, but what we're looking for is that edge, and that edge doesn't give us too much more of an edge. I mean, like, it doesn't give us much more of a percentage chance that it's gonna play out, you know. We get,
Did someone say spin?
what's up, J-Mode, man? Thanks, dude. Yeah, we'll spin, for sure. We're gonna get litty, but you know, that divergence is gonna increase your probability 10%, and then when you get like the divergence, and then you get a pattern, then you could be going up to 65%, maybe 67%, and sometimes even 70% chance, right? Increased probability, or a 70% chance probability of a reversal to the upside. So again, absolutely nothing is certain. There is no 100% chance of anything ever happening on any market, and so that is why position sizing is of paramount importance. It's just as important as applying technical analysis itself. Risk management is just as important as technical analysis itself. That is what I call the holy trinity of trading, right? Technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management, the three that you have to have together. You can apply technical analysis and you can make no money because you don't practice discipline on the other two. So practice the holy trinity. That is what it is called here, okay? Without it, it's just not good enough, man. All right. So spin, connect, right? So maybe we got a lower low double bottom going on Tron Connect, but the 4 hour doesn't imply a reversal right now. So, oh god, chat is. Oh yeah, it's still broken, dude. I think. No, why did it turn off? Oh, I turned off the wheel accidentally. My bad. No, I'm sorry. Don't worry about it. We're good now.
GA respected.
Yeah, spinning. All right, social. Drink, Ninja Girl. Drink. What happened to my face? I don't know, dude. Let's see if I can show more, because the sun's going down, so you get a better view now. Yeah, that's feasible right there. I mean, the sun, if you go any more, I think the sun might be. That didn't do anything. Hold on. Chat is back. Yeah, that's fine. I can still see everything fine right there. So beautiful, beautiful view, man. Beautiful, all right. Oh my God, it's wonderful. All right. So get wrecked. And J-Mob and Scuba Steve, you know, you wanted an arrogant will. You got it, dude. No chance in heck a chug will happen on September 19th, 2020 at the beach. It just is not going to happen, dude. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, the view is wonderful. The ocean is like a bath. It's great, dude. All right. So let's just take a wild card S coin. Wild card S coin being like Dash, I guess, right? Well, I mean, despite the fact that it bounced off that critical support at the bottom of maybe a trading range, you know, it had a really nice rally, but since then it's just been selling off methodically, slowly. So that's kind of probably good. This definitely has maybe a descending broadening wedge too, right? Yeah, disconnect 1 and 2 there. That's all you can do, really. I mean, that's about all you got, man. Alright, so, we're gonna do bullish convergence maybe going on. It's like just not there. Like, we look for certain things. Look, I mean, this is a certain thing. This is one certain thing we look for, right? It doesn't exist now, okay? We don't have anything like that. You had a reflexive rally off a critical ice line, and that's it, man. Nothing else. So, I mean, like, one could, if they try to take a long right now, it's just a coin flip, because this thing could dump all the way back down to $60 and $64 before maybe double bottoming. And how bad are you going to feel when it does double bottom, right? And maybe on the daily it shows an edge there from one swing low to the next, right? I mean, you just got to wait. Like, people just got to wait, man. That's it. We're going through S coins, man, because it's like, it's Saturday. Nothing's open except the S coin market in crypto or in Bitcoin, right? Man, look at these palm trees. They're beautiful, dude. Beautiful palm trees. Maker's interesting. Wolf. Okay. Up 2.8%. Yeah, let's go, dude. Back above critical ice line. A low. A lower low. And you could almost extend this out, right? Look at this. Extend it out. Well, okay, don't let me grab it. This is really weird. Am I locked right now?
Was that arrogance I heard in your voice? I think you underestimate my spins.
J-Mob, thanks for the 10 super chat, man. We're gonna take a gander now. Yeah, that was great. Well, oh my god, dude. I mean, I don't know what. Oh yeah, didn't you show me this? You were looking at Maker. Yeah, remember, like last night or something, and we're like, oh, but it wasn't a hammer. I don't know. You showed me something that was a beautiful bullish hammer. And look here, listen, a textbook what, chat? What is this? While I spin, I don't know, my chat just turned off again. What is going on, dude? Good God. Alright, I'm gonna spin. I want y'all to answer. What pattern is that? The UMA USDSK?
Can we look at UMA/USDT?
I don't know what that is. So $10 minimum for unheard of S coins, right? Just quality control. Well, chat, what is that? Bullish pin bar. Wolf got it. Boom. All right, Wolf's just killing it, man. Wolf and a few others are testament to the Pareto principle, man. All right, I mean, Wolf, Matthew D, Scuba Steve. Some of y'all are just like legends. I mean, y'all. I don't know, man. I can really tell people's aptitude and their ability to absorb this information, this knowledge, and apply it. And some of y'all are getting incredible at it, okay? I mean, I'm just saying. Let's see. Wilson, Arizona, Gmail. There it is. Alright, patrons drink again. Get wrecked, J-Mub, man. Get wrecked, Scuba Steve, Moneymaker, Comic G. Y'all out there, man. I see y'all. Alright. There we go. So, yes, bullish pin bar reversal. Unfortunately, the MACD, there was nothing really that was helping you. It was just the candle, dude. Let's see, did it line up? Yeah, it did. Look at this, chat. Oh my god. So that's a support. That's a low from July 16th, 2020, right? So doing some critical thinking, you could. All right, this is all hindsight, but again, this is the sake of education, investing in yourself, right? Getting better, all right? We're applying real-world situations so we can maybe apply it to the future. Okay, so at some sort of support from July, you painted, you went down, tested it, and you got a huge rally, and then painted that bullish pin bar, all right? And then locally, we look at one pretty clear swing low, at least in the 4 hour, and we see a very clear swing low. Rig wheel connect. Oh, it is. Dude, that's a long
Rig wheel
power, dude.
connect. Spin.
Alright, I'll do it. I'll do it, Scooby. Thank you for the Super Saiyan contribution, man. 1212. But I think you get it, right? Like, from this low to this low, critical support, bullish Japanese candle reversal, and potentially RSI divergence, right? Where you just see it like you have one low and then the next one, and it's like, dang man, we're diverging after a pin bar. People can trade that. People do trade it. And look at the manifestation of that, you know, or just the fall through price action after the bullish pin bar. It turned into a break to the upside. Yeah, you're bearishly engulfing now, and you're probably going to back test $500.
Clinking beer mugs.
Oh god, now we have 2 spins. All right, I don't want to get in debt. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this one's for Scuba Steve, and the next one's for JMO. Alright, Logan Rick doesn't even count. I don't know what happened to Logan, dude. He's gone, dude. Oh, thank god, dude. Alright, just a gulp. Get wrecked, Scuba Steve and JMO. I mean, try your dangest, but it is almost a certainty that you will not hit chug again. September 19th, 2020. It's just not going to happen, man. Feeling too good. So with Maker, $490 to $500 is going to be back tested. I mean, you know, you'd really hope, man. You really would hope that Maker wouldn't do that. Wouldn't test it yet, okay? Just think about this. What could be painted? And this is what we look for. So this may never happen, all right? But just, you know, it reverses, you know, maybe comes down back test, but it comes up and it goes to 560. And that's where it reverses, and then we're looking for it to back test 490 to 500, and then we get something like that, and that would be to Jesus. That's what we would say. Official trade setup, pinging patrons. It would be shouted from the mountaintops, Gondor, right? I mean, lighting the torches. This is what we look for, man. Stuff like this, especially on Maker. Maker does respect the TA all the effing time, man. It's something we want. So if we don't get it, we don't trade it. But if we get it, man, this is what we want. Okay? This is gorgeous of an idea of what could happen. So hopefully Maker makes it up to at least $547. It can be a slanted neckline. I think a little bit higher would be better than where we're at right now, okay? So, beautiful. So keep your eye on Maker. Maybe stuff could be developing if we're lucky.
This next one should hit. DGB kicked butt today. Spin.
DGB Connect. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't look at S coins, man. Well, I do. I'll look at all kinds of S coins, but yeah, we'll look at DGB Connect. I haven't looked at it in a while, man. I don't know, dude. So here it is. Here's your spin, Matthew. All right, social. Drink your beverage. Cheers. Social. Jim Ragsdale. Let's go, dude. Chainlink, please, going down. How about you show up to the stream on time, and then you'll get your link analysis. Someone requested it and got it, and then we looked at it, and there was nothing really special about it. Yeah, of course it's going down. It's probably going to break $10. Link's probably going to break $10. Pretty much, man. Okay, so Link, let's make it happen. Whoever you are, Bob Ross, paint this for us so we can all be kings together. Until then, nothing. Whew. Okay, so we go to daily. Let's see on Maker real quick. What a nice rally. It wasn't much of anything. That is not a bullish pin bar. Kind of just all it could be considered as a bullish harami, which I don't think they have that reliable. They don't have a very strong reliability. It just rallied from there, and just again, you know what we want to see on Maker: a little bit more price action to the upside, and then we dump, and then we back test 490 to 500, and that might be it, man. That might be amazing. So, okay, I mean, like, dude, we don't always get inverse head and shoulders, but we know from new data for the past 3 years on the stock market, not crypto, inverse head and shoulders are the second most reliable patterns that exist, right? Only second to head and shoulder reversals to the downside. All right, this is newer data, and it's great, man. So we know that. All right. And then bullish rectangles, I think, is in a close third. It's almost as reliable as the inverse head and shoulders. So head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, bullish rectangles. Those are the golden tickets on the stock market. I don't know about crypto. I need to pay someone to do the research and just, you know, find that stuff for us. All right. Woof. Alright, what was it? What was the next thing we were supposed to look at? Digibyte, can it? Oh god, man. Oh, I don't even know much data. Oh god, look at this inverse head, or this double bottom. I don't know, there's probably more data somewhere. Alright, Matrix gonna... oh my god. Yeah, I don't really know. Was it... I was like, yeah, I guess it was like a bottomed out, and there was like, I'm sure, Matthew, you probably, why you were like keen on it is because that, right, daily, it might have been some of the 4 hours you liked. That's what I'm talking about, man. You get what's going on, right? Matthew D is applying the teachings that I've bestowed upon him, and now he's self-sufficient, and he's finding things on his own, all right? You get that. That's literally the goal of Patreon. That's what you're doing it right if you're doing what Matthew D is doing, what Scuba Steve's doing. All right, wolf, don't be the wolf. Like moneymaker. These are the people, right, that are doing it right. If you're like in the Patreon, just sitting there waiting for a trade setup, you're doing it wrong, man. Though they're gonna be there. Like if there's no opportunity in crypto, in my opinion, and like it's like higher risk right now. Why would I post trade setups? Like, you just want me to post trade setups so they just fail on you? I mean, like, what do you want? I mean, would that satiate you? So, it's a great time to invest in yourself. Okay, let me, you know what I'm going to do? Beautiful incentive. This is just the Jesus, man, all right? So, thank you so much, Technical Analysis, for helping us out so much on DGB. Trade setups complete. Beautiful. Wonderful. It was DGB to USD and BTC. They both were successful. So I don't really know. It was kind of like, yeah, I think he was just probably looking at this type of stuff right here, I guess. It wasn't that strong. But Matthew D is kind of like the DGB whisperer, I guess. Bullish. Yeah, that's definitely kind of divergence, man. That's definitely kind of Class B bullish divergence. So, I mean, target, yeah, okay, any problem? Oh, yeah, it was like the downtrend, right? Didn't we? Yeah, we looked at this, right? It was like this, and we couldn't make it happen, and it finally did happen. We finally did break out, right? Yeah, okay, that's the way it was. Perfect. So, all right, easy targets, right? I mean, hindsight now, but, like, I'm just saying targets before the breakout were like this, all right? 50% retrace, 2.9 cents and 3.1 cents to 618. So if any kind of breakout of a structure like this with divergence or whatever, like say you're blessed enough to get an opportunity or like to take the long down here because you see this divergence, maybe like Matthew did, I guess, like bread and butter, like clockwork, the strategy for channel breakouts like this, well, at least in Forex and stocks. I mean, crypto, maybe it's different, but maybe you get more liberal with it. But I mean, 50% and 618, dude. It's almost like falling wedge stuff, falling wedge breakout stuff on traditional markets, right? 1, 2, like those are your targets, and then you can exit completely at the 618. Or I mean, you can have a third target, right? You don't have to just have 1 and 2. You can say, all right, I'm gonna say the 886 or the 100% would be your third target, right? And that's it, dude. That's literally all you can, because you don't have. I mean, I guess you had some daily help there, right? That hidden bullish divergence. So what were we just talking about earlier? The combination of variables we want on different time scales. The daily showing hidden bullish divergence. And then we go to the 4 hour and we look for classic bullish divergence. I mean, DGB in the end, it looks like had that. All right. Not bad. TA liberal Matthew D. He's triggered, man. Watch the suit. I am, dude. Yeah, I was talking about it early in the stream. Looking like an anonymous witness on an episode of Gangland. Dude, I literally brought that up earlier, man.
We're gonna talk about this, man. I'm not. Yeah.
I don't know. Something like that.
Yeah, I did drugs, man. I did lots of drugs. I sold drugs, dude. Yeah, man, they'll come and get you, dude. We're down in Miami Beach right now, in the cocaine capital of America, man. Of the world, things. Just talk to Scarface. Alright.
Okay, there you go. This is like, you size You size up every chart like this. You try to, okay? This is how you do it. You use Fibonacci. Like a channel, there is no measured move at all. You just you anchor it's called the fib retracement tool. All right? The fib retrace is right here, okay? Right there, you go down, fib retracement. It's, you know, you want to make this your favorite, okay? One of your favorites. And then you just anchor from the top to the low point, and then look, the way it works, from the 0%, 23% retrace, 38% retrace just achieved today for the first time, a 50% retrace. That means it's retraced halfway from its highest point to its lowest point, right? You get that. For people that don't get Fibonacci, that's what it means. Look, a 618, a 61.8% retrace from its highest point to lowest point, an 88% retrace from its highest point to lowest point. Targets to take profit, to completely exit, and after that, you're out. You just, who cares if it keeps going? We move on and we look for the same thing over and over and over. Position sizing, risk management, technical analysis. The holy trinity, man. It's up 13.66% today. Great stuff, Matthew. Yeah, turn the lights on for once or twice. Jeez, Ninja Girl. What, y'all want to see Ninja Girl? She's timid. She's nervous. She's over there like, oh my god, oh my god. And get wrecked. I'm just reading some chat now. Oh, you spin J mode? My bad, dude. Hold on. I didn't know that. Sorry. We got in the zone of education, right? I mean, that's right. Forgive me, sir. Patron Trigger can't, dude. What? The wheel is rigged today. All right. I'm not hiding, man. It's the lighting. I can't do anything about it, dude. Let me try to do something with the webcam because the lighting has probably gotten better. Let's see. Exposure. Oh, now the lighting's perfect now. Let's go, dude. Beautiful out there. But now you say, hi, how you doing, man? How you doing? Maybe it'll look even better right here. And that's the sweet spot, baby. Yeah, because you can't see both. That's it. So as the sun keeps going down, I can keep changing the exposure, and it's more viable. All right, man. I'm not an anonymous member from, you know, some random gang from wherever, okay? Good to see y'all. You know, things are serious when I got on my super duper rainbow plaid. Let's go. Beach TA is the best TA? Yeah, it could be. I just wish we had some price action to complement everything, right? We just unfortunately don't have it. Right, you look at Bitcoin, 11,062, hanging in there. Not too bad. It's still up 1% today. And I just don't know. I just don't know if this is good enough. You know, is that really, you know, a swing low? It just doesn't really seem like much of a real swing low. It seems like the same wave to me, right? This is all the same wave. So from this high to this high, you are diverging, but doesn't necessarily mean it's textbook hidden or classic bearish divergence. I just don't know, man. It's kind of suspect, all right. Mons Venus bracelet, Matthew D. Oh yeah, dude, we went to Mons Venus Connect, Kava. Yeah, what is it, the champagne room? Let's go. Dominique, man. Yeah, dude, it's great. It's awesome. The good old days, Clive. Talking about right now, no Aloha shirt. You talking about the Boogaloo shirts, Scuba Steve? You know it's taboo to wear Boogaloo shirts now, or Aloha shirts, excuse me. Did you know that? Yeah, it's some sort of I don't know. I do wear Aloha shirts to the shooting range though, so. All right, we've been live now for about an hour. So if you're enjoying the live stream, like button, the bell, sub. We got 1 hour until your daily candle close. Not sure if I'll make it to that on stream, but trying to keep the party going. Trying. As not easy. So yeah, man. Look, I mean, look here. Listen, you know, it's like, there's a high here, and there's just some kind of higher high, right? A little bit, and it's just lower levels of positive Momo. But I don't know, man. Like, if that's good enough, because right, the swing highs and swing lows are not really real, kind of. Okay, you just could continue climbing, but yeah, there is diverging a little bit, man. But what happens, man? What happens, Larry, if like the positive momentum starts building right now, or like when the new day begins and your positive momentum starts building and your price action goes up, and then it's like, okay, even here and here and here on these higher histogram wicks, it'd still be bearish divergence, right, all the way up until it breaks above this. So it's just we might need to see more data. We just don't have it yet, okay? But yeah, diverging for sure right now. And what do we say, right? This is certainly a potential reversal area because of confluence.
SK never finishes a job. SMH, UMA/USDT, please.
Yuma.
Looks like a bearish bat forming on the 4 hours.
All right, all in short on Yuma, Kappa. All right, Yuma, Arizona. What does Yuma remind me of? Something from Vegas Vacation. What's his name? Papa Giorgio from Yuma, Arizona. That's what it is. Okay. Mr. Papa Giorgio. Well, good to see you again, Mr. Papa Giorgio. All right. Let me check my notes here. We're going to spin before we look at Yuma. All right, I need to take a sip of alcohol, or 5 before Yuma. Social, everyone drink, man. So remember, yeah, we're going to look at Yuma. I just wanted to finish up what I was saying about Bitcoin, where we certainly know, we've been discussing it for the past few days now, with 2 different swing highs on Fibonacci, the Fib retrace that I just talked about, to the same swing low. We have a confluence zone between 11,156 and 11,215. You're at it, right? You're right at that 200 moving average. That is definitely something we've been eyeballing and knowing that is where you could reverse. Okay, so don't be surprised if a reversal to the downside does happen. Okay, and now you're diverging some, so maybe that fuels the argument. But, dude, these retraces, man, can remain irrational longer than we can stay solvent, okay? There's nothing that clear. So, Preser, man.
Sup, brother, can we take a look at CVS?
Yo, look at after Yuma, Arizona. To US dollar. Polonius, no, Binance. Okay, we're looking at it. SK, man, what do you want, sir? Is there probably more data on another exchange, I guess, that you were looking at? Polonius. Oh, nice data. Oh my god, dude. Wow, what the? Pretty good, man. I mean, there's bullish evidence on the MACD, not on the RSI. Daily, come on, Daily, help us out. Dang, nothing on the daily, really. Ugh. Yeah, I mean, it could be a support here. It could be. There's not much data. There we go. So it's a lower low technically. So I don't know if you can say it's hitting bullish divergence on the daily, but yeah, the 4 hour looks okay. 4 hours pretty special, pretty nice. But again, you want more than one time scale for the best trades, right? You know, it's like one low, the same low, and it's just kind of like you can eyeball it and see like clearly from the first sell-off to this next sell-off, much lower levels, or much lower levels of negative momentum. So maybe we got a shift going on, but. And so that means it could be a dragon of some sort, you know, where you just plot this supply line here, and that'd be the breakout point. Dude, again, this is not much data, and it is not broken yet, okay? So it's okay. It's just an S coin, man. Not much. There's not much data, man. Ugh. XRP in the US dollar in the monthly. Oh my god. This beer's kicked. Destroyed it. Yeah, Scuba Steve. Yeah, J-Mo. What? What, man? No chance. No, Jose. No one wants to email you. Okay, get out of here, dude. Weird. Freaking me out. Ooh, this song's good. Oh my god, Litecoin's starting to move up, man. Well, remember, Litecoin is in an interesting situation. It's not moving up at all. You're looking at the 5-second chart, dude. Just get out of this. So go to the 4-hour and stop looking at 1-minute charts, okay? Litecoin's in a very interesting situation where it's holding support from history, and if it ever breaks $50, it's gonna probably go to $60. Because my argument is every time between $50 and $60 in history of Litecoin, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, over and over and over again. It's like clockwork. So if you get above 50 again, you're probably going to 60, and that's why. Okay, that's how support resistance works, and it makes sense because look at the structure, this mega structure on Litecoin. All right. Tesla's got 4-hour bullish divergence. It's playing out. It's down 3%. Get out of here, dude. Tesla's is terrible, man. Noise!
I will not be denied.
Oh, you won't be denied? Well, watch this, dude. Watch this, J-Mob. Okay? I'm about to... It's not me, though. It's the RNG, random number generator gods that will deny you, not me, okay? Destroyed, right? Social. That doesn't mean I have to open up another beer, though, so... Social, yep. Hold on, I'll get it. Hold on a sec. I'm not into seltzer beverages. Even though Michelob is that. It's just, Michelob's kind of like a tasteless seltzer, I guess, in a way. It's like what is it, a legacy seltzer or something? I'm wondering if they can see the sunset now. I wonder if it would. It's not bright, so. Oh, thank you. All right. Ow. Ah, shit. Whew. Shoulder joint. That's close. Michelob's a frat beer. It wasn't in my day. It didn't even exist, I think, when I was in college. It was about to be. It was just beginning to be a thing. So, dang, man, I think that thing is blocking the sun. I'm gonna open. Can we open that? I wonder if they could hear. Ah. Let's see. I'm gonna pause the music for a second, and y'all just tell me y'all just listen to me, or listen to the ambience. Right, that's what the word ambience, man. Uh-oh, J-Mob. It's J-Mob, man. J-Mob, thank you, dude. We'll see.
Clinking beer mugs.
Live stream from the deck. We're like at the deck. We're like right, like 2 feet from the deck. Maybe 3 feet from the deck. Here it is, J-Mob. I'm sorry, man, but I have to preemptively say you didn't get it. You got it. Dang it! Dang it! He got me, man. Hey, at least dinner's gonna be interesting, right? Yeah, all right. Wait, no one's telling me about the audio. Whooshing man, take me by the hand. I'm certainly not shotgunning. Oh God, I just gotta get a cup. You think there's a cup in here that could? Yeah, I can see the cups. You can hear the ocean? Sounds so nice. Dominic, man, it is nice, dude. Y'all can hear it. Scuba Steve, man!
Irwin will chug if it lands too. Spin.
He will? Alright, okay, man. We'll see about that. We will see. You talking about that'd be messed up, man. If you realize it's a 5% chance to land on Chug one time, but to land successively, right, back to back, I think that's a 0.5% chance of that happening. So we're gonna try it, man. I owe a Chug. It's okay. I know, that's what I get for being cocky with Will Juliet. Whatever. Juliet, how about, it says Logan Rect, how about Julia Rect? Okay? Retroactively saying that. Just so you have to chug, okay. Alright, look. This is the beach mug. Enjoy the sights, oh my god. Enjoy the sights and sounds of the beach, man. I mean, I haven't been out in St. Petersburg hammered, okay? So, we're working on that now, I guess. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look, it's a filter. It's a beautiful filter of the ocean, man. Look at that. Beautiful skies. Wow. So, alright. 1 for no music, 2 for music, okay? Because I can't hear. Can you hear if the ocean sounds? Huh? You don't have. You can say something. The mic's insensitive. It can't hear you. Birds? You hear birds. Patrick hears seagulls too, man. That's Silzer, dude.
Chug airdrop connect.
All right, here's the spin. We're just getting out of the way. We're not gonna get in spin debt. Chug debt's worse enough. All right, gulp. Everyone gulp, dude. Jesus. All right, this last sip right here. Moneymaker, he hears no ocean. Dang it, dude. Wolf says he likes the ocean sound, though. But that doesn't mean, yeah. So it doesn't sound like y'all can hear the beach, unfortunately. So, only in Florida? I don't know, man. I've chugged plenty of beers in Alabama, too. So, and California, and New York, and Texas. We should do chugs around the nation. Chugs around the union. That should be the name of it. Glenn can hear. I'm glad you can hear, Glenn. I don't understand. Like, I don't know how half of y'all are saying you can and half of y'all say you can't. That doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, man. You either hear it or you don't hear it, dude. Someone fix the money printer. We're working on it, Leonard. By Monday, maybe we'll have it up and running again, okay? You kind of can. Sounds sick. Okay, Moneymaker can hear it now. See, Moneymaker, what were you doing, dude? God. This is so... I'm letting this beer marinate.
Oh yeah, marinating my beer, man.
With Moore's and Dale's steak seasoning. It's going to be wonderful.
Mmm.
A little salty. Got to turn it up to hear it? That's not possible. What can I even do? Money grows on trees. That's 100% perfect. Perfect. Alright, so I guess we'll stop music for a while.
The spin wheel will be R.
Will it? Scuba Steve, will it burr? It's burring right now. It's kind of scary, dude. I'm getting a little nervous now since I owe one. I never feel comfortable when I owe one. I'm gonna have to get another beer because this one's... I know. What am I supposed to do? Huh? You know you can say stuff and no one can hear you. Because the mic is set up. It's like noise canceling microphone tech. I don't know. Dude, Ninja Girl is so shy, chat. Super duper shy. Can I show a bit of the beach view? Nah, dude. Like, this setup is so screwed. It's like, I'm scared to move anything. Like, if I could only articulate to you the complexity of traveling streams. It is just, it's... Or I even said it to Ninja Girl. I'm like, yeah, now you get to see the sausage being made. You know, non-sexually, of course. But I'm just talking about, like, the sausage being made of me streaming remotely, not from my home. It's kind of awesome. Like, if people watch my stream at my house, because it's like I'm in my zone. But I'm so out of it here. I'm just not in it, you know. Dang, man, it's so pretty. Sun's setting right now, chat. No, I didn't say anything about her in no, look, dude. God, I was setting myself up for failure on that one. Really, dude. Eggplants in the chat, Julia. That's inappropriate. We're gonna someone moderate Julia. How do we moderate the moderators, man? Kappa. Jeez. All right, so social. So here's the newer beer, not the one that's about to be chugged. Okay. So I'm playing ball. I'm playing the game. So. Yeah, Ninja, you also owe one. So, because it's social. Play with the settings again so we can see the sky. Okay, we can try, man. Do what we can. Look, man, what do you want? All right, what's Bitcoin's up 1% today? Congratulations on all your success. But it's not doing anything. It's at a confluence zone. There's 43 minutes to go until the daily close. And I'm at the beach. All right. Hidden Divergence played out. Remember, past 2 days, the stream's title's like, Bitcoin hidden bullish divergence. Bitcoin still diverging. Pop. Pap to the upside, right? Hit the confluence zone because of that scrub divergence. It was scrubby. It wasn't great, but it was there. So there might be bearish divergence, but I'm real sus on the bearish divergence because it could still keep going, man. Sounds like white noise. You say white claws? What? Do you think the government will agree on a stimulus package? Now there's contentious Supreme Court seat up for grabs for the election. Nah, dude. Nah, not at all. Dude, there is Trump derangement syndrome going on. So, nah, dude. Like, and because of this, what's going on, there are a lot of, there's a possibility, man, like, House, Senate, presidency, all going to be red now. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous what's going on. I mean, I don't know, man. But it was kind of similar with Obama as president, too. I mean, we got to be impartial, right? I mean, this is just how it goes, man. Like, one side doesn't want the other side to get anything done because they want their legacy to be tarnished because like, right, their side lost. So it's like football now, or like, it's like soccer. It's like sports now. It's like, it's not about real politics and policy making. It's about, oh, what can this team do to the other team to prevent the team from doing something? Like, okay, from doing something good that maybe would make them look good. You know, it's, yeah, that's politics. Okay, great. That's why we love trading. That's why we love capitalism and not worrying about it, you know? It's like just, ugh. Like, imagine wanting to, be in that world, really. It's just kind of disgusting, man. So, all right. This beer's almost ready, man. What color's the sky? Why are boobs good? Why is the sky blue? It just is, Scuba Steve, okay? It's more like pro wrestling? Maybe, dude. I don't know, dude. It is tribalism. Why do traders need so many monitors? You don't need so many monitors. It's just convenient. It's a convenience thing, dude. I don't know. And it's like, hey, man, as a trader, you know, like you don't just have, you can monitor many different charts, but at the same time, you can also have like it's your station, man. Like you can have surveillance for your house, like where you always have cameras up, so where you can monitor that. You have certain websites are out there that can show you gainers and losers on the day for the stock market, and maybe crypto too. I think TradingView has it as well. And that another thing, you could have TradingView open with, what is it like? It's like this stuff, right? It's like stock screeners, and you can let all these different. You can have this up on your screen, right, and see that. It's just where you can just have more, man. You can have more. The more screens, the better IMO, and there's absolutely no possible way to say you can ever have too many screens. If you say that, get out, dude. Just get out. More screens, the better, and as long as those screens have something of substance that can benefit you in some way in terms of protecting you, or, hey, man, even having, I don't know, man, like, whatever, you can have, dude, anything. 10 screens is fine. Whatever. 20 screens would be even better, dude. But then you're going to have overhead. You're going to have more graphic encoders, more screens themselves, and then the upkeep on that. What if one farts out? You got to buy a new one. So, anyway, God, I got to pee so bad. I've already broken the seal multiple times, like 5 times today I broke the seal, right? Okay. Alright, I'm about to mute this mic and check. I'm going to turn the music on while I do I don't want to do this awkward. Just Get wrecked though, man. It's too easy. I'm gonna chug this and you're just gonna be like, oh man, that was too easy, man. Alright, music's on. Okay, I do have to go to the bathroom, y'all. Alright, I'll be right back. Oh, CVS, man. I know, man. We're gonna get it in, alright? Alright. Hold on, dude. Jeez. Alright. So, will a chug of the water beer finally get me drunk? Because I've been trying to drink these all day and they've been doing nothing. It's almost like I want a refund. Someone give me a freaking refund of this Michelob. It's broken, dude. God, CVS, dude. Might as well be a CV death, dude. Ugh, didn't make it, man. Yeah, popping like crazy. Up 2% on Friday, but we're waiting, okay? We are not balking here. I think it could rally, make a lower high, and then dump again. We'd be waiting. I mean, you have to see like 53% retrace, close to 50%, right? This is a bullish bat potentially, and the PCZ is $54.20 or so. So that's it, man. All right, that's it. CVS waiting, and there was no edge on this pop. On the 4 hour, there was certainly no entry for a long at the 786. Nope. And on the daily, kind of divergence, but only on the MACD, and it was maybe sus, super sus. So when it's super sus, it's like, all right, good, let it run, let it make a stupid lower high than its previous high, let it back test $61 as resistance, and let it dump again. So patience is required. I've got my alert set at like $55, so I know, hey man, we're dumping, man. I want to see $54. If I don't see $54, I don't care. I want nothing to do with this piece of crap until then. All right, that's it, dude. That is it. Okay. Bueller, any questions? Any questions at all, man? God. So pretty. I'm kind of letting this chug hit me, okay? Just give me a sec. Let me collect my composure. What are they doing? Are they embarrassing you? Kind of. I mean, it doesn't matter. You can talk. You can say things. They're not even going to hear you, okay? Okay. CVS is like a logo is like a Tamagotchi heart. Y'all ever play Tamagotchi back in the day? Alright, go to the CVS chart and look at the little logo on it. Or it could be a Zelda heart. It's like a Zelda heart from like, you know, 64 or like Super, whatever, Nintendo, whatever it was. You see the heart, their logo on TradingView next to CVS? It's a heart. And it's like a Zelda heart, dude. It's about achievement. The Florida Magan? What is that, man? So what say you? That the who asked about the CBS Connect is done, man. I wish it was more insane than this, but look, dude, it's like range. You got a range, and I'm waiting for a deep retrace. I'm gonna try to wait for an actual edge. There was no edge on this pop, dude. There wasn't any, so who cares? So that's great. Make a lower iron dump again. I've been live for about an hour and a half now, so if you're enjoying the live stream from the beach, hit the like button and bell us up. I know it looks like a joke. It looks so easy. Well, whatever, dude. Okay, cool. What say you? What say you? We'll look at all kinds of crap today, man. Let's look at Neo, that was the darling of the Chinese cup with handle, man. Just couldn't quite make it. Couldn't quite make it to that $28, but it's not over yet. Cup with handle, man, that is Chinese. Oh, thank you so much. It's rallying right here, dude. This is not over. Right, very seldom do we get real confirmed Chinese cup with handles, man, but we got one right here. It's in the middle of playing out, okay? Yeah, this is a green screen, dude. Yeah, man. Yeah. I guess I could do that. I could be like, I'm on vacation, man. And then green screen the beach. But can you hear how the ocean sounds? You smell that? Yep. Is that a joint? It literally is a joint. Someone is doing that right now. In the general vicinity. Alright. Alright, Scuba Steve. Alright, Wolf. Alright, J-Mo. What y'all gonna do, man? Like, I opened a beer, and I had to take a social. Do we know where we're going? Are we gonna Uber? Oh yeah, medicinal in Florida, right? That's legal. Yeah, there you go. Could be that. Whatever. Huh? Medicinal, yes, of course. Florida man is medicating. Yeah, dude, Matthew D, that's right. After the Binance, well, after Binance became, you know, something you can trade in Florida. Yeah, dude, he's losing it, man. Well, Jeff, that's great, man. Congratulations. Whoa, so much air and such little effect, right? Okay, man. Well, I guess y'all are satisfied, right? And I guess I am too. Whatever. All right. Y'all get what's going on this weekend. Not much going on. There could be divergence, so an argument for divergence, but I just don't know, man. It just doesn't seem like much of a swing low, swing high. Like here, I do think that this is a real swing low, and then we got like another one or two right here. Very discernible from the previous one, but from here to here, it's just not much, man. It's just like it just happened. Is you're diverging, but it's not textbook bearish divergence. Okay, that's as best I can put it. It may not be an edge, and it could just keep going higher and validate that right there. Okay, so that's it. Alright, Wolfman, glad you enjoyed it. All y'all. Alright. But leave cam on. Exactly, dude. Okay, so thanks everyone so much for coming out tonight, today, whatever. I really appreciate it. So I will be back. Thank you, really. I really appreciate all the likes, all the support contributions from you all. Just means everything. Okay. Till next time. Respect the T. My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Better sensei. Better sensei. If some evidence member pig could be in this area.
I like turtles. That boy good. Good and terrible. What was another one? Bueller. Trying to think of more sound clips. And then, just like that, price gonna dip. XRP going to the moon. Adios, turd nuggets. Okay, bye.